we had thought that the state might call more witnesses to say, oh, and so was also in that meeting, and now they're going to say what they did or didn't hear, and that we might actually have kind of a full-blown hearing. It sounds like there probably wasn't other witnesses that were in existence, and both sides then made what are called in camera. So in camera means that they take directly to the judge something, a filing, whatever. The general rule is neither side can talk to the judge directly without the other side there. And the idea for that is, justice, you don't want one side.
It's called ex parte.
Exactly. There you go, ex parte. So, you don't want the judge, somebody whispering in the judge's ear and the other side didn't get to say, wait a minute, that's actually not true. So that's the general rule. However, there are times where you allow for an ex parte, a direct to the judge. So you say, Judge, here are documents that I don't want the other side to see. What the defense disclosed was an entire briefing on here's what our defense strategy is, and here's how this affects our defense strategy. Well, obviously, it wouldn't make any sense to require that to be seen by the prosecution because, so you allow for that direct. So both sides made direct submissions to him in camera. They each had kind of put together their filings, and he had already read a lot of that before he even came in. And yeah, right off the bat, look, I'm not going to grant a mistrial. So before we started this, I said there were two options. There's a mistrial, and he could exclude the evidence under, and I didn't say Heath, but Heath is the big case that changed the law in 2024, and I guess we could talk more about that.